right, Doug? No, not.
Uh-oh.
It went way down over the hill. I don't know why it went down.
Wow.
Whereabouts?
Right over in here. I just happened to see a little bit of red.
Oh, it buried that motor in the ground. Oh, damn, I reckon.
Jeff, do you have signal down here?
Hold on, I'll check.
God, I can't get the motor out of the ground.
Wow.
Take a picture of that motor down in there.
Can't hardly see it. It's down in there.
Signal was lost.
That's why you couldn't hear anything, huh?
Have you got signal where you can send him a message?